everyone, welcome to Bonkini Cooking. Today we are going to make whole masoor dal, that is red lentil, with cottage cheese, that is paneer. So for which we will require one heaped full bowl of red masoor dal, which we need to soak, wash nicely and soak for 4 hours or overnight. We need around 150 grams of cottage cheese paneer, which I have cut into cubes, small cubes of 1 inch roughly. We need 3 onions, which is chopped finely, 2 tomatoes chopped finely. We have crushed garlic and crushed ginger. Garlic I have used around 10 cloves and ginger 2-inch piece crushed. For whole garam masala, we have 3 cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves and cinnamon stick of 1.5 inch, which I have broken into small pieces. For garnishing, we will use coriander leaves, a small bunch of coriander leaves and 3 green chilies which I have slit. For dry spices, I have half teaspoon turmeric, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, that is zira powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, that is dhania powder, and homemade garam masala that I use, it's 1.5 teaspoon. So now let's begin, for which we have to boil the masoor dal. Now I have kept this soaked overnight. At least 4 hours minimum you need to soak this. I will use the same water which it was soaked in. So we will transfer it into a pressure pan. If needed, add a little water. I will require around 1/4 glass of water here, to which I will use half of the crushed garlic and half of the crushed ginger pieces, and the garam masala I will add it here while boiling the masoor dal, which is cardamom, cloves and cinnamon stick. So I will add this here, give it a gentle mix and put it to boil, and pressure cooker is on medium flame and we will wait for 2 whistles. Meanwhile we will fry our paneer cubes, for which I have kept a pan on medium flame, where I am adding around 2 teaspoons of ghee. You can also fry it in oil. So let it heat a little. Here I will sprinkle a little salt so that our cottage cheese is coated with salt, and add pieces of cottage cheese to the pan. You just have to toss it to light brown on all the sides on the medium flame. You can also choose to skip frying the paneer pieces, that is cottage cheese, and just add it to the gravy. However, frying it gives a nice flavor to the dish. As our cottage cheese are being tossed, we will start our preparation for the lentil, for which I am adding around 2 tablespoons oil in a vessel. Let it heat up. Here I am adding a teaspoonful of cumin seeds, that is zira, and onions, 3 finely chopped onions, and we will fry it nicely. So our cottage cheese have got a light brown crushed. So this is the time when it is done. So we will put off the gas and let it be on the pan. And our onions are translucent now and getting a little pink color. This is the time when we will add the tomatoes. 2 tomatoes chopped, and we will also add salt to taste. I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of salt here. Give it a nice mix and let it fry for around 5 to 7 minutes. Our lentils are boiled, wherein I have given it 2 whistles. So, and our onions and tomatoes are getting fried. At this moment, it is getting fried for 5 minutes. Here, we will add the garlic and ginger crushed, the one which we had kept aside, half of which we had added to the boiled lentils earlier. Adding it to the boiled lentils, ginger, garlic and whole spices give a very nice flavor to the dish. So it is frying. Now we will add our dry spices, turmeric, cumin powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, coriander powder, and our garam masala powder, homemade garam masala powder, and red chili powder. All the dry spices we have added here. Now lower the gas because we have added the dry spices and let it cook for around 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes that we are cooking the spices on a low flame. Here we will add little water. I'm using warm water. Now increase the flame to medium. When it comes to a nice boil, we will add the lentils to this mixture. Now on a medium flame, let the lentils and the spice mix cook. The lentils have got a nice boil. This is the time we will add the cottage cheese, that is paneer, to the lentils. I'll add a little water to the pan. And add it. Give it a mix and let it cook for around 2 minutes. At this point, we will also add the green chilies and the bowl full of coriander leaves, and just leave it to simmer. So our nice, healthy and tasty red lentils with cottage cheese is ready. Do make it at home, and if you have liked this video and recipe, give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel Bonkani Cooking for such recipes.